Hey team, Racin here from Racins Adventures. Just wanted to share a quick tip with you all about first aid kits. Now, you guys all know I run the Ironman first aid kit, covering a wide range of emergency situations out in the bush. But where I think people get it a little bit wrong is where they store the first aid kit. I see a lot of people put the first aid kit under the driver's side seat or passenger seat, glove box, or even in the back of a drawer, hidden away. A first aid kit, in my opinion, needs to be a highly visible item. So, as you've all seen, I run my first aid kit on the back of my fridge. It's there so everyone can see it if it's needed. And that's what I think a first aid kit should be all about. It's for anyone to use at any time if needed. Not for me to tell someone it's tucked away in my drawer or under my seat. So that's just a little thing I think you guys should think about when you look at your setup and where you've put your first aid kit. I hope that little quick tip has been helpful. Now I better sort out Bella. She's hurt herself. Hey Belle, I've got that Band-Aid that you wanted.